Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about YouTube ads and what our campaign structure is when we are launching a new campaign for a new offer, a new vertical, how we set it up and how it tends to look inside YouTube. And when I talk about YouTube ads, I mean TrueView skippable ads, the annoying ones that everyone doesn't like, that's kind of running for 5 seconds that you have the option to skip before you're watching the actual YouTube video that you want. And we've been running ads in this space for the last 9 months, 12 months even. We've spent quite a bit of cash there. And we've been doing this because we want to diversify a little bit from Facebook traffic. We were at a point where maybe 90% of our traffic was, for our agency, was Facebook, and everything that's going on there feels a little bit uncertain, and we wanted to start diversifying and looking at better, different traffic sources. And I tell you, YouTube has been blowing me away with the cost per lead we're generating them for and the quality of the leads. And we think the quality is great because the video, that pre-roll video, that video that runs for your brand is a 30 to 60 second almost advertorial type pre-sales letter for your offer or service. So if people take the time to watch all of that and they're intrigued and they're bought into this product or service, then they're highly likely to convert and they're highly likely to become a great quality lead for you. So it's been an eye-opener for us and it's been awesome. So if you want to learn more, then obviously you can book a call with us below this video. There'll be a link and you can book a strategy session and we can see whether or not YouTube ads are going to work for you as a lead gen agency. If you're going to moving to the pay per lead is a good fit, and whether YouTube ads are going to be a good fit, we'll be able to discuss all that with you. But this is the way we set up our campaigns, and I'm going to do this just kind of interactively. I'm going to try and draw on here a little bit to show you what it actually looks like. I've started it, but if we look down here, this is the kind of campaign. This is the campaign here. This is ad group. And these are the ads, okay? So campaign on this side, ad groups in the middle, and then ads on this side, okay? Ad groups in Google are the same as ad sets in Facebook, okay? So let's say we start with a $100 a day budget in each, okay? And I would tend to try, obviously it depends on your budget and you can reduce those as you need, but I'd like to always start with kind of 10 campaigns. At the moment I'm only showing 3, but you'd want to do another 10 down here. So the way we do it is we have one audience per campaign. So the top one we always start with is what we call run of the market, which is the whole of the country that you're advertising in, okay? No targeting, completely open, just let it go and see what the algorithm and the machine learning builds out, all right? And then what we do, and if we do this for, say, car finance as just a random example, you would want to break down the ad groups based on age bracket, 35 to 44, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 plus type thing, okay? I'm not sure exactly, I can't remember exactly what it is in Google, but break down the age brackets per ad group, okay? 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 plus. All right, so do that. So for one run of the market, 4 different ad groups based on the best age demographic for your offer. Car finance, it's unlikely anyone below 25 is going to get car finance, so we usually exclude that. And we look at 8 ads, 8 and 8 here. The same 8 ads in each of those different ad groups. And we usually would have 2 actors doing 4 videos each. If you're running your own offer and you're comfortable in front of the camera, obviously you can do that. But within our program, we show you how to write those scripts, we show you how to find the actors, we show you how to get them shot cheap so you can get up and running on YouTube. Because the great thing about YouTube is that the quality of the lead, the cost per leads are all great. The even better thing is there's less competition because it's harder for people to make the creative, all right? They don't understand that you can get this done really cheaply. So if you need help, book a call with us below and we'll see if it's a good fit. So that's the first campaign set up. The second one, we literally duplicate that first campaign down here and we find a new audience to advertise to. So there's loads of different targeting options with Facebook. There's in-market, there's affinity, there's contextual, all sorts of different targeting you can do. It's even better than Facebook in my opinion. So another one might be for car finance, financial services. I'm sure there's a car finance interest as well, which we would obviously go after. But find the interests that are related to your offers and then duplicate it across. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, same 25 to 34, blah, 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 blah. Exactly the same because it's duplicated across. You just need to go into, I think it's in the ad group settings. I can't remember what it is, but it's either in the campaign settings or the ad group settings and change the audience to financial services and you'll have the same 8 ads here, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then do the same for duplicate again and do the same for a different audience and then keep on going until you've got 10 campaigns, okay? Right, so now you have your 10 campaigns set up, you've got your ad group set up, you've got your ads inside those ad groups. What do you bid at, okay? So we always start now with target CPA bid. So you tell Google how much you want to pay for a lead, and we always look to go probably double what we want to pay. All right, so if we want to get $10 leads, then we'll bid at campaign level, we will bid $20. 20, 20, 20, okay? What mistake you can make is if you put a bid at ad group level and then suddenly you have a different name and the way that you name your campaigns, things can get confusing. So always put your bid at ad group level to 0, which means that the campaign target CPA bid will override what's at the ad group level, okay? So if we want $10 leads, we'd start at 20. We'd switch them on. Obviously 10 times 100 is $1,000 a day, which is fine for us. For other people it might be a little bit daunting, but we want to test and get some results as quickly as we can. All right, so what will happen then, if the ad starts spending like crazy, you'll find that your leads will start coming in, but they'll be too expensive. And you know, you'll start freaking out a little bit, but what will happen is that the machine is learning and it's going to take 3 or 4 days in order for you to get to the point where your leads are starting to come in at a good price. If you're not getting any traffic, then your offer, your creative is not good enough and you'll need to increase your cost per lead at campaign level, okay, your target CPA. I mean, we can talk about optimization and scaling and all that type of stuff another day, but for now, this is all about setting up your campaigns and getting started on YouTube ads. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to find out more, if you want to speak to me or my team, click the link below and we'll go from there.